Yo, what's up, everybody? This is David Yang. I am back on my reaction channel. Welcome back to my reaction channel. Thank you guys so much for watching the last video that I put out. So this song is called Day by my boy Magiic and by my homegirl Douachi. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Enough talk. Oh, produced by DJ Peter. Shout out DJ Peter, man.
Make a tea, Kulanda go wallow name to Talino, Jinchi the high take on more illusion pay, Shelly he and bodyguard. Yoku buttons are high day, you're only no, Queen Chilanda go or name, Mummy or Puvapu J, what a chillamate, the kind of hope a day, Moku ho eat no day, Shaku Yoli Kuchi Mo Nungi, Koponyakato, Kontoka Jahaku, Taluteka, you look good here, Yuchimo Inu, a Kayan Zuku here, Jeton de la Kachin Yokai, the multiple Kuja Yaka to Ponian the Kaisha, Tashin no Kacha Tendoku, Mokunja Mokungo, no no Kumalipo, they could talk a look more the Kachi Mwakaho, no no Kacha.
That picture, man, and this song, man, it's speaking volumes right now. So I'm sure a lot of people will relate with this, man.
No ku mokunja te mokungo, no no Kumalipo, could talk a look of Kachi Mwakaho.
Man. Douachi's amazing, but are you guys listening to the lyrics right now, though? Make sure y'all listen to the lyrics.
Kunia tekutsi, nechi luku la chualika, de kuchuya etu tai kwa neteleji salukuli loa, tokula kwa la tala nechi kala lula poa, tataka netu vau tele mokundau toa. Tota nelu jela netu haiko wishing day, jakamu vamu jateleji ma vondo voke.
Man, he said, thoughts on Neluchela, Nichi Haika, Ocean Day. What? Oh, holy. This song is different.
Tele mokundau toa. Tota nelu jela netu haiko Ocean Day, jakamu vamu jateleji ma vondo voke.
Jakamu vamu jateleji ma vondo voke. Man, this song is deep. It's getting me chills, and I can definitely say that it's such a real thing going on, man. So props to you, my bro, for even putting a light on this type of situation, man. And that picture, it just speaks volumes, man. This song is very, very powerful. So I'm looking forward for you to do a video to this for sure. Chisaka Ponlu Kong Ponlum Bay Netili Haiko Kutu Shekam Day. Oh my Magic, man.
Polo kong polum bay neteli hako kutuku lumishia konday yuchuwa itu panika zone lushiteli chilon tavo halu shelu qila ka yuchuta bonyon.
Oh man, every line, bro, every single line right now is crazy. Wow.
Lushiteli chilon tavo halu shelu qila ka yuchuta bonyon.
Tavo halu shelu qila ka yuchuta. Dude, this is all so real, man. This is just all so real, man.
Có chỉ có hút thuốc chỉ sự đầy nữ, do có yêu tu hút kia thằng đôi chỉ có yêu tu sư, có yêu chủ tao ua tư dự chỉ so tranh dâu, lúa tây thế linh đã thử thế sao có một cá hậu, lúa bay ban đầu, nhưng chỉ muốn lên tới sát tàu, lúa bay ngô pha, nhưng chỉ muốn lên tới sang ngã.
Wow.
Lúa còn dây thêm, bỏ con mẹ còn dâu, cho tay mình non mình xài có thả khi chỉ tàu, bỏ con lúa còn dây thêm, bỏ con mẹ còn dâu, cho tay mình non mình xài có thả khi chỉ tàu.
I have so much chills right now. Magiic is speaking so true. The story that he's speaking in this song is so real, man. And it honestly is shining a light on a huge, huge problem that is around in the Hmong community. And this song is strong, Magic. This song is strong, my bro. And DC singing is I'm trying so hard to enjoy the song for just being a song, but the lyrics, man, that's the beauty of this that's the beauty of music, man. It's just I love their voices and I'm enjoying DC's vocals, but the lyrics behind this is just so, it's taken everything right now. Oh my God. I know it. Wow, 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 wow. I have chills right now, guys. I literally have chills right now. Wow. Wow. Oh shit, who that? Zhang Xie featuring David. No, but this song was amazing. I think that the lyrics capture you. And I know DC is so amazing at singing, but their lyrics that they are saying is so much more capturing, which we need that in songs, you know? So I love this. It sheds light on a lot of situations that happen in this community. And I really love the fact that my boy Magiic came out and did something like this, like honestly. And I honestly think that a visual for this would definitely be a thing that he should do. So I love this song. Shout out to DJ Peter too, man. Dope DJ. Shout out to Douachi. Shout out to Magiic. You guys did a beautiful job with this, man. A1 for real. So yeah, that's my reaction. Please go support Magiic. I can't talk today, guys. Go support Douachi. Go support DJ Peter. Make sure you subscribe to my reaction channel. There's a lot more Hmong music coming out, and there's a lot of other random things that I want to do on this reaction channel. So shout out to y'all for supporting. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I love you guys.